Hello everyone and welcome to NEET Mentor. Supreme Court of India has asked Government of India to provide NEET PG aspirants incentive in form of grace marks. Decision has already been taken to postpone NEET PG 2021 exam by 4 months at least, and the examination is not going to happen before 31st of August. Okay, and there is no mandatory for any NEET PG candidate to join COVID duty, but in terms of incentive, they are giving a salary and all. But the Supreme Court of India has asked government the salary wouldn't be sufficient. So we are going to talk each and everything about this matter in this video. Before that, if you are new to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel. You click on the bell button so that all the notifications related to your NEET PG 2021 process and updates will be coming to you as soon as we get the notice. In the description we have given Telegram group. You can join that group also, and we have a few very important information in terms of ebooks, and those ebooks you can purchase. There is ebook for open state, deemed universities, and DNB counseling process. So once you have those ebook, you will be able to better decide or set your goals, which colleges and which kind of branch you want to go for based on your budget and expected score based on your current preparation. So let's get started. According to recent report by Live Law, the Supreme Court bench comprising of Justice Chandrachud and Justice M.R. Shah opened that the incentive in form of money wouldn't help and suggested providing the NEET PG aspirants and nursing students with the incentive in form of grace marks. That's true. And Justice Chandrachud pointed out the most important thing is missing here, incentive in form of grace marks for the NEET PG course. Money wouldn't help, providing people won't stay out of in these COVID-19 times otherwise. I will see there are more than 1.5 lakhs doctors awaiting to appear. Is around 1.74 lakhs totally in NEET PG 2021 candidates who have completed their medical course, MBBS and internship, and there are 2.5 lakhs nurses who are fully trained. They can be involved in the COVID workforce, but if you give them 15 to 20,000 for nurses and around even 1 lakh for MBBS doctors, nobody would come. That's true and fair statement given by Supreme Court. How can you make COVID service attractive to them? This can bolster your infrastructure for third surge. Okay, so they are clearly saying, since they are working and they are risking their life in this COVID-19 second phase, and that's very much required to stop third phase coming. So incentive in terms of grace marks very much required. There are other institutions also, other government institutions have asked PMO. I will post that in separate video. They are also supporting to provide grace marks so that huge number of candidates will come to this COVID duty. And this COVID serving to COVID duty is not mandatory, and it can't be made mandatory in this pandemic time. If any candidate is suffering or having a COVID-19 symptom, or her family member having COVID-19 symptom, then definitely you can't force them, and it's not ethical to force them or make it mandatory. So what you have to provide attractive offers to them to motivate and provide incentive them to join COVID-19 course. And earlier the decision was taken to postpone the exam by at least 4 months, and exam will be happening after 31st of August. The student will also given at least 1 month of time after the announcement of exam date before it's conducted for preparation. This will make a large number of qualified doctors available for COVID duties by PMO, but the incentive is very much required. Again, I'm reading the statement here by Supreme Court judges. The most important thing is missing here incentive in the form of grace marks. In NEET PG courses, money won't help. People won't stir out in these COVID times otherwise. And finally, they have added one more statement. This suggestion will be conveyed with utmost sincerity, and I am sure that government would not object, assured Supreme Court judge. So I have this much from my side, and I would suggest you take decision based on your condition, and you can shoot mail to examination authority, government of India, PMO, with your concern. And if a huge number of emails they receive that you are ready to join COVID duty, but in the return they have to give incentive in NEET PG 2021 score, definitely they are going to consider. In the following days, I hope many other organizations will support this movement. So you are welcome to send them email as well, so that you get some incentive in terms of marks. Okay, so that's it from my side from this session. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.